For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet, the National Weather Bulletin forecast for 24 hours, 3rd of October. The main features of this brief will be a severe cyclonic storm that's in the Arabian Sea and persisting low pressure area that is over eastern parts. Firstly, the low pressure area that's for east and northeast India. The weather activity in association with this has shifted eastward. Earlier it affected largely parts of Bihar and Jharkhand, even West Bengal, but in these 24 hours intense weather activity has vacated Bihar as well as Jharkhand. Parts of West Bengal will still have some activity, that's to its northern parts, that's Bankura, Asansol, Malda region. Possibly some scattered showers will be there. Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, possibly the activity will increase. Kuch Bihar, Alipurdwar, this pocket, Siliguri, Binaguri will have moderate showers. The lower parts of Assam activity will be more. That's Kokrajhar, Bongaigaon, Golpara, this the Barpeta. This is the pocket which can expect some good amount of showers. The rest of the valley that should have light to moderate showers only. Heavy rainfall confined to this pocket which I just mentioned. The rest of the parts of northeast India, normal monsoon activity will still continue, though the monsoon season as such is over, but northeast India, these rains they continue or even till 2nd or 3rd week of October, and similar thing is expected in this month also. The northern parts of the country, once again the activity has further reduced. Actually there is hardly any activity over northern parts, barring some parts of Uttar Pradesh that's closer to the foothills. We can expect some light to moderate showers at a couple of places, but otherwise nothing significant even there also. Delhi is supposed to stay dry, even the hilly region inclusive of Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, no intense activity, nothing much is expected. Plains of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, once again mostly dry weather conditions are expected. Actually the severe cyclonic storm which is there over the Arabian Sea, that is what is causing the change in the weather pattern, and that is what will lead to even the commencement of withdrawal shortly. That should happen in another couple of days time. Anytime around 5th or 6th or so the process should start, and that is how these clear weather conditions are already preceding that event as such. The central parts of the country, we can expect some rains, some moderate rains over parts of Odisha, interior parts of Odisha, that's Titlagarh, Korapur, Rayagada region. Yes, some rains are likely. So is parts of Chhattisgarh, particularly its southern parts, but no intense activity as such. Over Madhya Pradesh, similar scene what it was in the previous 24 hours, less activity over the eastern parts. Western parts also, it's a little reduced activity over southwestern parts, that's inclusive of Dar, Shajapur, Khargaon, Khandwa, Ratlam, Neemuch, less activity over these parts. State of Gujarat generally free from any significant weather in these 24 hours. Parts of Maharashtra, coastal parts and the north-south oriented North Madhya Maharashtra will still continue to have some weather activity, starting with even Pune, Nasik, Dhule, Jalgaon, and then Sangli, Satara, Kolhapur, Sholapur over down south. Other side of the Western Ghats can expect some showers. Coastal parts, Konkan region, Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg, Mumbai, light moderate showers will continue during this duration also. And lastly, the southern parts of India, that is cyclonic circulation in the southwest bay that has come a little closer, which we see off Tamil Nadu coast. It will inch further closer to the coast in the subsequent 24 hours. This is the one which is going to cause a little more activity in the coming days over South Peninsular region. But then in these 24 hours, we can expect some moderate rain and thunder showers over Kerala, over south interior Karnataka, over coastal Karnataka also, but then the most interior pockets of otherwise Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, even most parts of Telangana, nothing much is expected along with this. The Coastline, as I said, moderate showers. So Kerala, entire state, right from south to north, Trivandrum, Alappuzha, to up to Wayanad, we can expect some moderate showers. The severe cyclonic storm needs a special mention, but this is moving away and away from our coastline. The winds could be a little stronger over the central parts, that's the over closer to Bombay High, even northern parts of Gujarat, off the coast, but then sea condition could be slightly rough, but no weather activity expected in association with this system. Actually, this severe cyclonic storm also, while moving further away towards Gulf of Oman now, due to land interaction, entrainment and the increased amount of vertical wind shear, this also will weaken. This is almost equivalent to category 1 hurricane at the moment, but then it is likely to weaken and then possibly it will strike Gulf of Oman. Oman coast it's going to strike after about 3 days time, and obviously thereafter it's going to weaken over that region as such. This is the weather brief from Skymet. Keep watching for latest information on weather. Thank you.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.